Welcome home to prime golf course views. This beautiful expanded Cimarron model has numerous upgrades and great curb appeal with lush landscaping. This lovely 2-bedroom/2 bathroom, plus den, split floor plan offers plenty of privacy and space for guests and family visits. Expanded great living room offers stunning views of the golf course and lake with lovely sunsets. Ceramic tile floors throughout for timeless beauty and easy care. The home features a superior open floor plan with dining den option area. You are safe and secure with upgraded hurricane windows and doors. This home is one of a kind in Kings Point. Separate laundry room is great for extra storage and garage offers cabinet space as well. Master suite with walk-in shower and closet completes the masterful design of this home. New roof 2017, superior AC unit, Kings Point warranty included through March 2019, transferable at closing. This is a MUSTC to appreciate. Great home located close to South Clubhouse and back gate in the luxurious gated Kings Point community. Enjoy the relaxing yet active lifestyle of SCC, which offers active adult living with fitness centers, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, golfing, pickleball, tennis, lawn bowling with luxurious clubhouses and hundreds of activities. Sun City Center is conveniently located between Tampa and Sarasota, Tampa International Airport, malls, dining, beaches, theater, amusement parks, sports venues, and so much more. Make an appointment to view this outstanding home in a great community today.